Right, so we are live on YouTube. Let's go for attendance first, then we'll come there. Priya Rutla,
Present, Shiv.
Sai Prasanna,
Yes, Chef.
Aditi, Aditi Kandalwar, Aditi, you there? Shilpa, Kiran,
Yeah, Chef, present.
Sriram,
Hello, sir.
Ashish,
Present, Shiv, sir.
Sayani,
Present, Shiv.
Bijan, Bijan, you there? Rakesh,
Yes, Chef. And there.
what happened, Bijan? Join fast. Once you join, let me know. Jayan,
Yes, Chef.
Aarti, Aarti Sharma, Satya,
Yes, Shiv.
Swati, Mariam, Mariam, you there?
Yeah, present, Shiv.
Malteshwar,
Yes, Chef, I'm here.
Gautma,
Yes, Chef.
Neha,
Present, Chef.
Harmit,
Hi, Chef. Present.
Raja, Raja, Team India, can you please check with Raja?
Sure,
Sure,
Chef.
Yeah. Asna,
Present, Shiv.
Suraj,
Yeah, present, Shiv.
Srishti, Srishti, you there? Nidhi,
Hi, Shiv.
Davinder, Davinder, you there? Kunti, Ashamuri,
I'm here, Shiv.
Kalaivani,
Present, Shiv.
Shambusa,
Yeah, present, Chef.
Purnima,
Yes, Chef. Present.
Swati, Swati, I think it's repeating. Nalini, Nalini, you there? Rajiv, Rajiv, are you there?
Shiv, Raja is on leave today. He's outside, so he will be absent.
Okay. All right, so we did cover about the asterisk and the use cases of asterisk. Okay, what does in title do? It basically helps us to get the keyword in the title part of a search result. All right, so in title, so for example, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular, in URL resume or in URL CV, gmail.com, in title front-end engineer or in title front-end developer, minus sample, minus samples, minus template, minus template, minus examples. Okay, why did we take these two different in title here? Satya?
Because we want that specific keyword to match in the
What
title.
will happen if we don't take these two different in titles?
Okay, it will take the entire one as one word.
No.
It will
Let's
give
take
results with
this.
assumption.
No. Okay, so in title front-end engineer or front-end developer or UI developer. What it's supposed to do? Do we need a space before and after in title?
No,
Yes, no.
no.
We don't need a space after in title colon and a keyword, right?
Right.
Okay, so I just search for in title front-end engineer or front-end developer or UI developer. So most of the results, like you see here, front-end developer. Okay, here, which is the second one, which is getting searched in the text part of it, but it's not searching in the title part of it. Front-end developer, it is getting searched in the text part of it, but not in a title part of it. Front-end developer, though we have a title here, but here if you see, in text, it is getting highlighted. Here, the title is not a front-end developer.
Right. So it
Okay,
takes it searches like a text thing. Okay.
it searches like a text. Okay, so front-end engineer is getting searched in the title, or front-end developer or UI developer is getting searched either in the title or in the URL or in the text. This is why
Okay.
it is highlighting in the text part.
Understood. Thank you.
Clear?
Yep.
Now we'll do this. Now, entitled front-end engineer or entitled front-end developer or entitled UI developer. Okay, though front-end developer is here, but it's not highlighting. Though front-end developer is here, but it's not highlighting now because it is actually searching in the title. Now you see here, I don't see the front-end developer in the title. Okay, so title doesn't mean only the blue part of this. Title also means something like if you save your resume on your desktop, what will you name it? You name something it, right? You
Yeah.
name the
Name
document something,
resume.
right?
Right.
Yeah, so that also can be a title. Title is something like a name board of your house.
Mm-hmm.
Sure, I have a doubt. Can we search like in title colon bracket front end in title colon front end bracket engineer pipe developer?
In title, only front end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, bracket engineer, pipe developer. Like you can, there is a bracket in the before in title also. Just close that. Yeah. Bracket, engineer, pipe developer.
Front end.
Engineer.
Front end.
In title front end, engineer.
You need to search like this.
No, what if we don't take in title there? Like, see, I remember like long back I've
Engineer
used
or
it.
developer will be searched anywhere in the page. You'll get front end in the title, but engineer or developer can be searched anywhere in the page. If you search like this, front end it is getting searched in the title, but this engineer or developer can be anywhere. So front end is there in the title, but engineer or developer or synonyms to it can be anywhere. I don't want synonyms for engineer or developer like HTML, CSS, JavaScript getting highlighted. So I just took in a double quotation. Okay, so front end in the title or developer or engineer can be anywhere. Developer or engineer can be anywhere. Developer. So front end in the title, but developer and engineer can be anywhere.
So the bottom line, Shiv, is that for precise results, the keyword either in inverted comma, if a single word, has to be along with in title.
If we need this particular keyword in the title.
Absolutely. Yeah. So the thumb rule is that in title can be repeated so that we get the precise results.
Yes. Now you give this thing, okay, in title, front end, and then in title engineer or in title developer. So as I mentioned here, you are seeing this, but again, once you open this, there will be some of the other page which has a title, front end engineer or front end developer. Now you see, though the developer word is here, front end developer is here, it's not getting highlighted. It's directly searching in the title part of it. Clear? See here, front end developer. It's the title of the page. Clear?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Another doubt someone else has? All right, this is where there are few questions related to in title in the assessment, which some of you have not cleared it. Maybe the concept was not clear. Is this right or wrong?
This is wrong, Shiv.
It's wrong. We should add in title in every.
But I know the space here, no? Yes,
Still
no.
it is wrong.
Hmm?
Still it is wrong, Shiv.
Still it's wrong?
Yeah.
See here, front end developer again getting highlighted here.
Yeah.
Front end developer, UI developer getting highlighted here. So it's still wrong. And then more titles we use, those many number of times we need in title. Rule is simple. Do I need multiple in title for multiple keywords? Yes, I need multiple in title for multiple keywords.
So Shiv, 5 more minutes on this, going back to the level one. In URL, when we are searching for a keyword, we don't have to declare multiple times, right? It can be or, like how we have just discussed, whether this particular search is right or wrong for in title.
Yeah, tell me.
When we are using in URL, we can use like similar first example, right? Where you have highlighted it in red color, we can use it multiple times. Where we are searching for a specific keyword, given that case scenario, in URL will work, right? We don't have to declare multiple times.
Yes, this is only the use case for the in URL part, because in URL says only one rule, there should not be any space. So if I give space like this, then this is wrong. But if there is no space, then that is fine.
Understood.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
So in your software hyphen engineer or software hyphen developer, is this right or wrong?
Right.
In title software engineer or software developer, is this right or wrong?
Wrong.
Okay. In your software hyphen engineer or software hyphen developer, is this right or wrong? This is right, as it follows the rule of no space while using in URL, as there is no URL which has a space in it.
Space.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now comes to a quick recap of what does an operator asterisk do. Rules of asterisk and use cases of asterisk. What does an operator asterisk do?
Shiv, just one, if you can just go back, please, to the in URL.
Okay.
Just 1 second. Yeah. Yeah. So here, software dash engineer, software dash developer. So is dash is required?
So sometimes what happens, there are some title of the web pages. Let's say this one.
Okay.
There are some title of the web pages. Like here, what is the difference between www.linkedin.com/pub and www.linkedin.com/in? Okay. When this title get replaced in the URL part, I don't know how this. When this title get replaced in the URL part, like if you see what this space has become hyphen, is hyphen. This space has become hyphen.
Oh,
The then again this space has become hyphen difference. This space has become hyphen between. This space has become ww hyphen ww. This dot has become hyphen. What is the space as well as the special character has become hyphen in the URL.
so it is
Including if you see
advisable.
this,
It is advisable to put a dash in URL command.
you can. See,
Okay,
URL rule is only one that there should not be any space.
got it. And if we don't put a dash, it will throw results.
No. If you put space, it will not show. It will take it as an assumption.
Okay, okay. So
So
there
dash
has
I'm giving, it is
there
giving me software-engineer or software-developer in the URL.
so there has to be
Software,
a dash.
yes. So
Check. Okay.
software-engineer. Here also there will be software-engineer like that. Because in this page, if you see, somewhere the software engineer is there, software space engineer, and when it is getting replaced, entry hyphen level hyphen software hyphen engineer hyphen developer hyphen development. What are the special characters are there that are becoming hyphen?
Got it.
But the moment I use software space engineer or software space developer, it contradicts with the rule of in URL. What in URL says there should not be any space while using a in URL. Though I'm getting some results, but those are mostly an assumption where system is trying to search for software hyphen engineer in the URL or software hyphen developer in the URL. But again, those are the mostly the assumption results. It's
Got it.
not the desired results.
Got it.
Okay, like if I open this meta careers, there is no software hyphen engineer or software hyphen developer in the URL. Though it is there in the title here. Pretty much on the first page. But the moment we search for software hyphen engineer, software hyphen developer, okay, again software hyphen engineer. Let's go for some of the advanced
Few, but
pages.
there is very minimal difference in the number of results.
No, no, nothing like that.
I mean, when you include a space, probably the results are a tad higher, but very minimal differences. What I see, I
So
don't know.
again, it's not about number of results. It's all
Uh,
about the right
Quality of
results.
results. Yeah.
Okay, again here software hyphen engineer. It's never about number of results. Whichever you take, even you take on the last result of the last pages. Software hyphen engineer. Software hyphen engineer. Clear? Yes, no?
Yep, yep.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Shiv.
Again, something similar questions are there in the assessment also. This is where the core difference is, and this is where the options are in the assessment. Once we have a thorough understanding, then only we'll be able to cover. Clear. Okay, then what does an operator side do? And then what does an operator in URL do? The difference between an operator side as well as a in URL. And then we have done some activity. Then we have done the asterisk use cases. Let me so and or not we cleared. Okay, okay. All right. Okay, so quick recap of previous session. Here it is. What does an operator asterisk do? Rules of asterisk and use cases of asterisk. What does an operator asterisk do?
It works like a fill in the blank.
It works like a fill in the blank. It basically works like a fill in the blank. That means it will help us to fill any open-ended keyword instead of asterisk as it is. For example, site linkedin.com /n and then in title SAP. Let me just correct this. Okay, in titles, SAP space asterisk space consultant. So in between SAP, whichever the keyword is there. Okay, starting with SAP, ending with consultant. Okay, starting with SAP, ending with consultant. But in between functional, SD, functional, FICO, functional, MMSD, senior, ABAP, technical, senior. So any of the keyword in between, which is basically between SAP and a consultant. It's replacing that particular keyword. SAP functional, SAP consultant, SAP functional consultant, SAP consultant, SAP FICO, SAP EWM consultant. So it basically helps us to fill in any of the open-ended keyword in place of asterisk. Clear? Yes, no?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Shiv.
Okay.
Yes.
Do we need multiple asterisk for multiple keywords to fill? Do we need
No.
multiple asterisk for multiple
No.
keywords to fill?
No.
No, one is enough for multiple keywords.
Okay, no, we don't need multiple asterisk for multiple keywords to fill. Only one asterisk is enough to fill in the multiple keywords. Do we need space and before and after asterisk? Yes, we need space before and after asterisk. For example, site linkedin.com /in title. So we are using space before and after asterisk. Here it is the same one. Okay. So whenever we are searching with a combination of keyword, we need a space before and after asterisk. Because pre or post continuation of a keyword with the help of asterisk is no more. It has been deprecated. Even if we get the result, those results are with the assumptions. Even on LinkedIn also, it clearly says we don't support asterisk. Okay, here quotation not or and the brackets, quotation parenthesis not and of order precedent. So this is the order precedent. Earlier it was little broader. I think they made it, here it is. Okay. LinkedIn does not support semi brackets, this kind of a bracket, angel brackets or wildcards like asterisks in Boolean. So while plus and minus operator may appear to work in some cases, they are not officially supported. Use and instead of plus and not instead of minus to ensure your query is processed correctly and remains easy to read. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Shiv.
Yes.
So here already it is there, but yeah, let me just add it. Right, do we need multiple asterisks for a multiple keyword? No, we don't need multiple asterisks for a multiple keywords to fill. For example, this one. Do we need space before and after asterisk while searching or ending with double quotation? We may or may not need space while starting or ending with double quotation. For example, site linkedin.com, my name is, my name could be anything. Okay. But do I need space before and after asterisk while starting or ending with this double quotation? No. We may or may not. All right. So here before asterisk there is a space, but after asterisk there is no space with a double quotation. My name is dash and I am dash. Okay. My name is Liz and I am second chance taker. My name is Tushar and I'm skilled. My name is Tuna and I'm fish. Wow. My name is Damili and I'm freelancer. All right. So in this use case, do I need multiple asterisks?
Yes.
In this use case, I need multiple asterisks. Okay. My name is Paula and I'm an executive assistant. And I'm asterisk engineer. Okay. My name is Silas and I'm a mechanical engineer. My name is Ellison and I'm a mechanical engineer. My name is Shivam and I'm electrical engineer. My name is Rob and I'm a mechanical engineer. My name is Anis and I'm electronic engineer. All right. So in this use case, I might need multiple asterisks. Okay. Do I need multiple asterisk to replace multiple keyword, but not in continuation like but in Yes, we can
So
use it like
basically, when
that.
we use multiple asterisks, there has to be text in between those asterisks.
Yes. Okay, do I need multiple asterisk to replace multiple keyword, but yet in a condition like asterisk, 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 but something like my name is asterisk and I am asterisk engineer. Yes, we can use it like this. But we need to make sure of completion of the sentence within okay. Yes, we can use like this, like that, but we need to make sure of completion. We need to make sure of completion of sentence within double quotation. Something like this. Here we are completing the sentence within the double quotation. Otherwise, what will happen if this double quotation is not there? What will happen if the double quotation is not there?
This will go with assumptions.
Not
It
just
won't search
assumptions,
as
it
it
will
is.
jump all around.
All.
Yeah.
Okay. So my name is Samsat Saifi. Where is that? I'm hyphen engineer. So in this, it's going all over. And I'm software engineer, but it's not highlighting. My name is Ricky. I'm engineer all over. Experienced software engineer all over. Software engineer all over. My name is Azam Raza all over. Currently, I'm a project engineer too all over. So it is jumping all over the places. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes, Shiv.
Yeah, clear, Shiv.
Okay, so this is what it is. So do asterisk work for pre or post continuation of a keyword? For example, test asterisk? No. Pre and post continuation of a keyword has been deprecated. Okay, test space IO. It's not showing me test, testing, tester. If you see here, testing is there, but it is not getting highlighted. Here also testing is there, but it is not getting highlighted. If I simply search for test, testing, tester will get highlighted. Speed test, internet speed test, testing, anything related to testing, tester, or similar keywords or synonyms of it getting highlighted. But if I keep it double quotation, only test will get highlighted. So Google has become enough smart that it is trying to identify and highlight those particular keywords for you. So for now, that asterisk for the pre and post continuation of the keyword, we really do not need. Okay, here also earlier test space IO was getting highlighted, but when we give in a double quotation, only test is getting highlighted. Only test. Clear?
Yes, Chef.
Okay. Can we use asterisk in combination of in URL? For example, in URL www.asterisk.com. No, we can't. Reason because first thing in URL helps us to get the keyword in the URL part of a search result. And the rule of in URL which says there should not be any space while using in URL. Wherein the rule of asterisk which says it needs space before and after asterisk. So while using in combination of keyword, okay, which says it needs space before and after asterisk while using in combination of keyword. Hence, both the rules contradict with each other, and so we can't use asterisk in combination of in URL. Like I just go and search it, we will not get any results. Okay, we're not getting any results because both the rules are contradicting with each other. Rule of in URL, it says we don't need a space before and after asterisk, and it is searching for a keyword in the URL. Wherein the rule of asterisk, it says it needs space before and after asterisk while it is searching for a keyword. And both the rules contradict with each other, so we can't use asterisk in combination of in URL. Can we use asterisk in combination of operator side? Yes, we can use operate asterisk with operator site, as operator site helps us to restrict the results to a specific website, and asterisk can be used to replace a keyword on or before special characters like dot, hyphen, underscore, forward slash. For example, site www.com. Okay, it is searching for all those results, which is starting with www, in between asterisk, which could be any website ending with com. Let's take further examples. So site www.asterisk.com in URL resume or CV. All right. So earlier we'll get this script, economics, Naukri and all. So slowly we'll manage it and we'll go over it. Okay. So script, all that open-ended sites. So let's minus a couple of sites like script, economics, Naukri, LinkedIn and all. So script gone, but now we have a individual resumes.
So what is that Apponix?
That's one of the site actually. Some institute or something. Okay, resume Sharma. Okay, it is asked me to download. Dibakar Bitra. So this is all like personal website. Anita Maran, Dhawan Solanki, Rohit Kumar, Rohit23.com, NavinPatra.com, KartikJha.com, RoshniKM.com. So all these are like personal websites. And from the personal websites, we have a resumes. Even look at the quality of the resume.
Shiv, I have a question. Actually, I was showing this to one of my colleague. Can you go back to the search, please? So, okay, this RoshanKM.com resume is fine. Can you go up? Can you go up? Can you go further up? Further. Yeah, this freeze jobs. So this particular resume is not a site that was created by Nidhi, no?
That's fine. It's coming from interview bit. There are a couple of jobs from interview bit, couple of them from free jobs. Let's see.
Exactly. So there are. I understand
There are
that
a
there are
number of
multiple.
sites. There are hundreds of sites like that. Okay, I'll do site. You have an activity coming in where you need to identify at least 50 plus sites which are giving you the individual resumes.
So my question being is our activity in line to the DPDPA or something of that sort? Because we are definitely taking the detail out, not in consent with the candidate. No.
No, we are not taking anything without consent. We are taking with consent. Anyone who is uploading their resume on a public websites, are they not giving a concern that my resume should be discoverable? If I'm listing my resume on a public websites or public listing sites, am I not giving my consent that my profile should be discoverable?
They are giving it with their own
Are people really aware that they are giving a consent to people that their resume is discoverable? I don't think so. Everyone understands how searches work, no?
If they doesn't understand, we don't really have to bother. End of the day, if I'm making my resume discoverable, if I'm making my own website, if I'm posting in a free jobs or whichever the website, I'm giving a consent to that website only. That okay, fine, you can make my resume discoverable.
Okay, just a thought, sir. Yeah, we were discussing, so I just wanted to bring that
No,
point.
it's not the concern at all.
Okay.
It is available on public website. It is available on internet. If you don't want your profile to be available on internet, please remove it.
And one more problem I faced was finding the recently coming in resumes. Meaning, most of the resumes were either created in 2023, 24 or something. I'm not sure how to.
That's fine. Just go to tools, go for time, go for past year. You'll have it. Tools. Okay, 4th September 2025, 4th September, 6th September, 3 days ago. Like that also you can do.
Okay. Is this the only way we can do the timeline part, or we have?
No, that's only the way. February 2025, 4th April 2025, 10th May 2025, 15th May 2025, 29th August 2025, 16th Feb 2025, 2nd September 2025, 18th August 2025, 21st July 2025, 30th April 2025.
Ashif, can we use like the searches here where we can try and find the immediate candidates? Like earlier when we did it for fewer initial sessions.
On
That
LinkedIn, it is fine, but here people generally doesn't mention on their what we say on their
because I haven't seen that on the
no,
Google.
they won't mention. They just list their resume, but in
Okay,
resume they won't mention that I'm an immediate joiner.
right,
So the person has updated his resume on open source on 25th Feb. But did person mention that he is an immediate joiner? No. Nowhere it is also showing that this resume is listed on this particular date.
correct.
Okay. But wherein here it is showing.
Right. We can find them
Okay,
as this
4th April
active date.
2025. Huh?
We can find them mentioning or maybe updating this active date.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just go and give a filter here. Tools and then custom range.
Got it.
Okay. Or else you can also do, there is something called sorting. It is there in the, when we go and build custom CSS, there you have a more options. All right.
Can you show that once more, the date when?
Tools, time, custom range. Here you give from date to date. You'll get it. All right. So Rohit23.com. Why would a person have his own website? Hmm? Won't he give in a concern by default that my resume should be discoverable? This is the reason I am dating my resume online. Navinpatra.com. So they have their own resume. Clevo, SD2. So if I'm making my resume discoverable on internet, I'm not giving a consent to the internet itself.
No questions here, sir. Just on the sites for free jobs and all. My question is, does Naveen Patra know that when he is putting his resume in free jobs, does he know
Hmm.
that it is discoverable by
They
people
will
who
know.
can X-ray?
They will know. Like if it is, if I'm making my profile discoverable on LinkedIn, I, I clearly have an option to whom should be visible. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Same here. If free jobs is not taking a consent, then that's a problem of free jobs. It's not
Free
our
job.
problem.
Okay.
Okay,
No,
we are smart
sorry
enough to
to
get the
say.
profiles. But that's a problem of free jobs. It's not our concern. If free jobs is not taking a concern and listing their resumes on an open source. Because Navin Patra has listed the resume on a free jobs, and we are searching on a free jobs. So if free jobs is not taking concern, then that is no matter. It is none of our business. It's not our problem.
No, correct. Yeah.
Okay, from where you are getting a resume? From free jobs. When you call candidate, what will say? I saw your resume on free jobs. This is the link. Now candidate will say, I never gave a consent to the free jobs. I say that may be in between you and free jobs. Please sort it out. I'm able to discover your profile on free jobs. In fact, you're helping candidate. Yes or no?
Correct. But in sites like scripted.com and all, I don't assume, I don't think people go and post their resumes, right? It is actually they
Where?
are aggregating PDFs from different sources. Is what I think
No, no,
about
nothing.
script.com.
Mhm. Let's take free jobs. Candidates. I'm creating my profile. Let's take login. Candidate login. Email. Sign up. Create your profile. First name, last name, confirm password, phone number. Yeah, with my all concern, I'm accepting terms and condition. Let's say what is terms and condition. Let's take privacy policy. Free jobs commitment to manage your personal information and set out how and when personal information is collected, held, used, or disclosed. Does not apply for any other information on site. By registering, if you do not accept the privacy policy stated herein or disagree with the way we collect and process personal information collected on the website, please do not use it. That's simple. Okay, direct बोल दे रहे हैं. If you're not agreeing with us, please do not use us. And if they agree, they abuse it. The site that link to the other website or whichever we have no control of the free jobs is not responsible for the privacy policy or practice of the website to which you choose a link from this site. Free jobs encourages you to review the policies, privacy policy of those websites so you can understand how they collect and use it and share your information. Once you go through this, then definitely you'll find out that they'll be able to list. User consent to allow create account to create profile for based on your information that you have provided to us, imported from other sites or applications, or information provided by us to the third party sites such as your contact advertiser. Uber jobs. I don't know what site is this. So every other website have their own privacy policy and concerns. And delivering the product and services that we offer. We gather your information and we deliver the product or services that we offer. Okay, disclosure of information to others. Free of disclosures to third party with your country and abroad, your personal information, combined personal, demographic, behavioral, or indirect information as set forth below. So they are clearly taking a concern that we are going to disclose your information, including your personal information, blah, 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 whatever you are making it. If you make a resume searchable, then all parties with access to our searchable resume database or copies thereof will have access to your resume. Now you tell me, are they not taking consent?
No, yeah.
Okay. So they take consent. Somewhere or the other, there is a consent. Right? And if I'm creating my own resume, I'm giving a consent to internet itself. Right? So that about asterisk we can use in combination of site, but not in combination of in URL. Okay, here also we have done some activity. Then now, any doubts, any questions, team, till now?
All good. Shiv.
Yes, no?
All good. Thank you.
All good? Any revision you would like to take? Any revision you would like to take? Any question you would like to ask?
I was reading about it sometime, but
Your voice is very low. I'm unable to hear Arvind.
can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So Shiv, I was reading about this, what we discussed right now, that how to find the resumes before and after like a specific date. So I don't know it's right or wrong. I'll share this string with you in the chat. See if this, okay, I'm not able to share that.
You're
When I share
sharing
my
chat?
screen and no, I was reading about it that if we use this after semicolon and a specific date and before semicolon a specific date, we can restrict the resume between the specific dates. What we were
We'll come
talking
there
about.
later. That's a dot search, which is the next. We'll come there later.
Okay.
All right. That is a number range search. It's not a date range. It's a number range search, but that's not too accurate.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So any further doubts or questions, team?
So
From
one
the
last
level
thing,
one?
sir. What are the components of a LinkedIn profile that can be searchable on in title, sir?
So anything on LinkedIn which is clickable, which are the feature, is not searchable. Anything which is a text part is searchable. That's it. Nothing else.
No, in title, sir. In title specifically, what and all can we search? Because I can search location, I can search titles. I'm asking what are the components that I can search?
Anything which is a text part, anything which is related to features like this, which are clickable, are not searchable. Anything which is a text part, okay, experience, titles, which are clickable, are not searchable. That's as simple. Anything which is text is searchable. Now, if you see this 1999 to 2001, okay, this is a feature of school. It is taking me to the school. Will it search in the title the school name? Very difficult because it's a feature. The learnings, okay, this what we say, the certifications, which is a clickable part. Will it search? Very difficult. Anything which is a text part, it will search. To keep it the most simplest answer, something which is applicable, something which is a feature is not searchable. Something which is a text part is searchable. All right. Yes, no.
Yes, Shiv. Yes.
Fine.
Okay, notification again, it's a feature. It's not searchable. Can you search someone else notification? What notification they are getting?
No.
Yes, no. Can you search my notifications?
No.
No, no.
Impossible. How will you search my notification? It's a feature. All right. Any further doubts? Any questions, team, from level 1?
No, Shiv.
We're good.
If there was one question on Google X-ray search where I got stuck,
Okay.
which one we cannot find. I think the options were image, text, and
Something which is clickable or of features
clickable features. Yeah. So,
that we cannot X-ray. This is why that question was there.
okay, got it.
All right.
Got
So
it.
I hope now everyone will be able to clear the assessment with 100%.
I'll try.
Yes, Shiv.
Yeah.
Yes.
So please go and attend. Again, we'll come back by next week and then we'll start strongly on level 2. Any other doubts? Any other questions on level 1? Please ask.
Shiv, can you please repeat for in title and insight again?
There is no operator called inside. It's only site. What does entitle do?
It will only search for the title, like just like we have done for the front end developer in that way.
It searches for the keyword in the title part of a search result. Which is the title part of a search result? Which is the title part of a search result?
Just
This
like
is
we
the
have
title part
done.
of a search result.
Yeah.
This is the URL part of search result. This is the text part of search result. What does an operator site do?
So that go to the URL part, Shiv. Yeah.
Site restrict the searches to a website.
Specific
Website.
websites.
What does an in URL do? It helps us
Just
to
like
get
for
the
this
keyword in the URL part.
URL.
Correct, yes.
If you read carefully the document itself, you will be able to clear the assessment. If you're not following the document and if you're blindly attending the assessment again and again and again, you will not be able to clear. It's like I'm giving you textbook, I'm giving you question paper, and I'm asking you to clear.
So yesterday, Shiv, I attempted for the 10th time and then somehow I scored 84% probably, but today I'll be able to clear it.
Awesome.
Shiv,
Please clear.
if you can just help me to recap a quick recap on the website creation, because I think a website creation that session I have attended. After that, two I think I missed. So
There is no website creation. It's a URL creation.
yeah, URL creation. So I just missed on that. If you can just give a quick recap.
I'll just share you the link here in the YouTube. I think it's there. How URLs are generated. You can search and you attend that session. It's
I'll do
lengthy
it.
one.
I'll do it. No worries.
Understanding the URL pattern and how it is used in sourcing. Understand how URL is constructed and how to modify URL. How URLs, number of things are there. How URLs are generated, my name. Just search in Google, you have number of things. Even if
Sure,
you go
I'll
for
go through.
3-year-old also, that is still same. All right.
Yeah.
You can look at this 11 months ago, how URLs are structured, part 2. Okay, level 2, how URLs are structured. These things you can view and you'll be able to get it.
Sure,
All
sure.
right.
Yeah.
All right then. Chalo.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks everyone.
Thank you, Shiv.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Shiv.
So
Thank
please
you,
clear
Shiv.
with
Thank you so much.
100%. and let's connect next week.
Yes, definitely.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Shiv.
Thanks, Shiv.